empty I find. You spill too much of my time, yeah. But there's no water under this bridge. Got no peace that you wanna give. You won't find the blood on my hands. Too easy for you to dig through the dirt. Just to end up empty-headed, and it raises questions. Second guessing is infectious, so you move recklessly, yeah. But if you need the leverage, use my name for credits, and I will show you anger, yeah. So do you dare stop? Do you dare stop? Do you dare stop? Do you dare? 'Cause I will incriminate you if I have to. If the tables don't spin, let me turn them, yeah. It's a two-player game and I learned it from the best. You're giving me what I need, showing me that monster